For travelers hoping to ditch their masks soon, it is not happening yet. The CDC today announcing an extension of the mask mandate on airplanes and other forms of transportation for another 15 days, meaning till at least May 3rd. And it comes despite repeated pleas from major airlines like American, Delta, and United to drop that requirement along with other COVID restrictions. Correspondent Janelle Fort is live at Hartsfield-Jackson Airport in Atlanta. So Janelle, this is just one of several extensions.
Yeah, Nicole, this is the 5th time that the federal mask mandate has been extended. A lot of people were hoping that the Biden administration was going to let it expire on Monday. That is not the case, which means that if you plan on stepping foot in an airport or on an airplane, you're still going to need one of these.
It's yet another extension to the controversial federal mask mandate, requiring face coverings for planes, trains, and buses. Today, the CDC tagging on an extra 15 days, shifting the expiration date from April 18th to May 3rd. The agency blames a recent rise in coronavirus cases in several states. Since March, there have been weekly increases in the 7-day moving average for U.S. COVID-19 cases. The CDC says it needs more time to study the BA.2 Omicron subvariant, now responsible for the vast majority of those new cases. The move comes despite multiple pleas from airlines, industry officials, and travelers to drop the mandate. Today, industry trade group Airlines for America sent this letter to the CDC saying, quote, "It makes no sense to require masks on a plane when masks are not recommended in places like restaurants, bars, crowded sports facilities."
Thoughts on the Biden administration extending the mask mandate for transportation?
I can't comment on that because I'm in uniform.
Last month, CEOs from all major U.S. carriers wrote to the Biden administration asking the White House to let the mandate expire, adding that the burden of enforcing the policy falls on employees, something we've seen play out in a string of violent videos of airplane altercations. At airports across the country, a mixed bag of reactions. While some travelers are sick of having to cover their nose and mouths,
I think it's ridiculous. I think masks don't work. I think there's no scientific evidence to show that masks work.
Others don't mind the extension.
I just believe better safe than sorry. Keep the mask on, cover your mouth, wash your hands, do whatever you need to do so we can all get safe again.
Now, additionally, attorney generals from more than 20 mostly Republican-led states have filed a lawsuit seeking to overturn the mask mandate. And Nicole, on top of that, the new expiration date makes it so that it's been 2 years since we've been having to wear masks on planes. It started in May of 2020.
Wow. All right. Janelle Fort live in Atlanta. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Click the red subscribe button below so you can get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.